Hey everyone, my name is Jessica and I'm a student of Memory Secrets Academy. In this video, I'll be telling you a bit about my experience with the course offerings and showing you how to navigate the site as well. Let's dive right in. A bit about me, I'm a digital content creator and I work from home, so I'm always looking for extra mental stimulation and ways to memorize my presentations. So when I came across Memory Secrets Academy, taking this course was kind of a no-brainer for me. I had an awesome experience and it was a great way for me to develop memorization tactics that help me with my work as well as in my everyday life. So if you go to memorysecretsacademy.com, you can find out a bit more about the academy and the workshops they offer. Right now they're offering a quarantine special for everyone stuck at home with COVID-19, and you can take the Unlock the Secrets online course along with a memory workbook and completion certificate and access to the students only Facebook group as well. The deal right now is only $27 per student, which is an awesome deal. Also on this page, you can check out testimonial videos and reviews from other students if you're curious what people have to say about their experience. I personally can't recommend this course enough. It's invaluable to me, so I'd highly suggest jumping on this deal while you can. You can easily register for the course here by completing the quick registration form. Just fill in your contact details and billing information. If you're interested in getting an audio recording of the workshop as well, you can add that on for an extra $7. If you'd like to have your family, friends, coworkers, or fellow students join you in taking this workshop, you can purchase packages of 6 access enrollments for $97, which works out to be under $17 per person, which is such a great deal for groups. Once you've completed your purchase and registration, you'll see this thank you page. If you click Create Your Login Access, you can set up your student account. Then enter your email address and password you'd like to use. When you're all logged in, you can start the Unlock the Secrets online course. To get started, you can watch the welcome video to get a bit of an introduction to the workshop. Then use the menu bar along the left side to navigate through the lessons available. Here you'll find the entire workshop video, PDF guide, and the audio recorded version if you chose to opt in for that. Starting the online course with Lesson 1, you can do the baseline memory test to see where you're at with your current memory techniques. You can easily download a printable PDF test sheet to fill in during this lesson. I'd suggest printing these out in advance so you're all set and ready to go. Each lesson will have videos and printable pages for you to work through. When you've gotten all the way through to the last lesson, you can then complete the final test. Click Final Exam on the left to access this test. This was one of my favorite parts of the whole workshop because it really lets you test how much you've learned in such a short time. When you've completed the entire course and submitted your final exam, you will receive your certificate of completion from Memory Secrets Academy. That does it for my review and walkthrough of the Memory Secrets Academy Unlock the Secrets course. I hope you've enjoyed and found this helpful if you're considering becoming a student of MSA like I have.